In this video, I will explore blockchain technology and concepts in more detail. I will explore popular blockchains and provide a link to find out the live number of Bitcoin nodes around the world. You may often hear it referred to as the blockchain. However, there is no single blockchain, as there are many blockchains. They all share the core blockchain principles. Let's explore how blockchain works. A blockchain such as Bitcoin has nodes. Think of them as servers distributed around the world throughout each country. In fact, if you meet the requirements, you could host a node and become a miner and earn mining fees. Different nodes have different hardware requirements, as they can perform different functions. For now, think of each full node or server as running the entire blockchain that runs Bitcoin, which is about 6,000 gigabytes of data. Each node has a copy of the entire blockchain and connects to all the other nodes running the entire blockchain around the world. It runs over the internet. This means it is a distributed network of nodes around the world used to store transactions. This is commonly referred to as a distributed ledger. Different public blockchains will have their nodes located in different data centers, even people's homes, all over the world. Being distributed is different to being decentralized. The nodes must very quickly agree on the state of the blockchain and reach a consensus agreement using a decentralized approach. This is opposite of being centralized, where decisions are made by a single entity such as a bank or a small number of entities. The decentralized consensus mechanism has implications on how quickly the transactions can be processed. Bitcoin uses proof of work, whereas Ethereum uses proof of stake, which is much faster. The data stored on a public blockchain is immutable. That is, it cannot be updated or changed. Cryptography is used to ensure that once data is written to a public blockchain, it remains immutable. As it is a public ledger, this makes all the transactions visible to everyone, allowing for greater transparency. Bridges are often used to connect different blockchains to allow interoperability. For example, Bitcoin tokens can be used on the Ethereum blockchain. However, it needs to be wrapped. The most well-known blockchain is Bitcoin. Bitcoin is both a native cryptocurrency that can be traded and a blockchain that supports the transfer of its native Bitcoin cryptocurrency through peer-to-peer or person-to-person transactions. It uses proof of work as its consensus mechanism. Ethereum also has its own native cryptocurrency called Ether and uses proof of stake consensus mechanism. Others have their own native cryptocurrency, such as Solana, which uses proof of stake combined with proof of history, and Binance Smart Chain, which uses proof of staked authority. As of late 2024, the top 5 countries with the most Bitcoin nodes are the USA, with approximately 2,583 nodes, followed by Germany, France, and Finland. The nodes are kept in sync around the world in real time. Bitcoin and Ethereum achieve this using a gossip protocol to propagate data. It is not possible to identify the location of many nodes, hence why there is a large number under the category NA. You can use the link or scan the QR code using your phone's camera to find the live map of the Bitcoin nodes around the world. I have also added the link in the comments section below.